Okay, we got a bank of awning windows that are up in an office type area that they're high to reach. So what we're looking for is an option for either a slider with a fixed unit with two operables on each end, or vice versa, fixed ends with the operable middle. I think it'd be nicer to have the fixed center. That would be one option. Then the other option would be go back to the awning windows and get us some sort of crank, almost like we have for our skylights, because it's almost 8 foot up there, 8 to 9 foot up there. So we're going to get a number for new windows. They're a bronze color. I'm guessing it looks like a cream outside, bronze inside, but we might end up going with something similar to, cream to cream, yeah. And we're also looking at making railings to put in between these posts going down, and then building a railing down the stairs. The customer has this cut open and ready to work on. And then we've got a railing that we want to put in here to block off. Now, do you want to match similar to what you have there, or do you want something different? Doesn't matter. I mean, I have the lumber. You have the lumber to oh, good, beautiful. Okay, awesome. So we would take and get our measurements, either make these up at the shop to bring them to set in, or make them right here on site. So we don't.